Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here. It is that time of the year. Today is June 28th, 2024. We are approaching quickly towards the peak of the hurricane season. Now, what you guys are seeing here is Invest 95, which is an area of investigation. That's what the Invest mean. This is located about 1,400 miles southeast of the Windward Islands. If I click in the imagery here, you guys can see that it's starting to really get it's starting to look very healthy, and quite a bit of thunderstorm activity is happening at the core of it. It is overachieving. It is actually intensifying quickly than expected, and I'm going to show something real quick with you guys. I'm going to share something. Let me go back here to the National Hurricane Center. What the latest update as of 2 p.m., basically what they're saying about this particular storm is saying that it's located at about 1,400 miles east-southeast of the Windward Islands, and is becoming better defined, and the associated shower and thunderstorms are increasing in organization. If this trend continues, a tropical depression will likely form later tonight or today. Key here is what it says after that. It will reach the Windward Islands roughly by the end of the weekend, and a hurricane or tropical storm watch could be required for portions of that region tonight or early Saturday. So, in other words, this system is very far away from the Windward Islands. What I would, if I were you and I lived in those islands, especially the southern ones, I will start paying attention to this. I will start preparing. There's nothing wrong with that as we are not even at the peak of the season yet. But I will start preparing because things are escalating quickly. And this storm looks like it may have a really good chance of becoming really well organized and becoming very strong. With that in mind, let me go back and show you guys the forecasting models. This is what the consensus of the strength of the storm. Yesterday, only one model was showing that it could reach the category 4. Now we have 2, but the vast majority is saying this is definitely going to become a hurricane, and it is going to be a strong hurricane. The majority of the models are saying strong category 1 to all the way up to category 4. And I'll be honest with you, in the location that it is, I would expect that to happen. There's not a lot of things that could actually impact it as far as withholding or hindering the chance of intensifying. I'm not saying a rapid intensification, but I wouldn't also discard it either. It is looking very likely like 2017 when Hurricane Irma developed around the same region. By the time it made it to the Windward Islands, it was already a very, very powerful hurricane. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but again, it's a similar pattern. And how the saying goes, history repeats itself. So that's something that if you guys are in the Windward Islands, especially in the South Windward Islands, you guys need to start paying attention to this. Now, other than that, let me go ahead and go back and show you guys the timings. So you guys can see based on this chart here. Now, of course, the main island, that's, we're talking about it's a while. It's a while by the storm to reach us, if it's going to reach us, which again, that's another thing that we need to pay attention. But it's definitely something to watch. Now, let me show you guys also, like I said, the spaghetti models. The spaghetti models are in very good agreement, and they're very clustered until roughly south of Hispaniola, roughly, I would say, around this area. So, in other words, this system seems like it's definitely not going to curve out to sea. The water temperatures here on this area and throughout this whole, I would say, Caribbean in general, but especially Western Caribbean, are extremely, extremely warm. There's a lot of fuel for the storm to become something major and intensify drastically. Again, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but I'm going to show you this. I'm showing you this information so that way you guys are prepared. You guys get the information ahead of time, and there you guys are not catch by surprise. This is everything I wanted to share with you guys. Of course, I will keep you posted. Don't forget to follow me here, subscribe, share this video with family, especially if you have family in the southern Windward Islands, and also on social media, on Instagram at Bad Weather Freak. And other than that, guys, take care. Have a good day.